Welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss limits and continuity important problems for intermediate final examinations. Suppose if you are watching this is the first time the channel, please subscribe the channel and share the channel, like the channel also. And entering into the problem here in the limits and continuity, the problem is given limit extends to 1 log x by x minus 1. Limit extends to 1 log x base e by x minus 1. See how to evaluate the given limit. So here given that limit extends to 1 log x base e by x minus 1. This is the given limit. Now what I am taking is here. So let or put x minus 1 is equal to y. Y is equal to x minus 1. See, when you take y is equal to this complete y, x minus 1 is y. Here, as x tends to 1, here the value of y is also approaching to, that implies y tends to 0. So why? Because 1 minus 1 is 0. So as x tends to 1, y tends to 0. So here the problem becomes now, which is equal to limit x tends to 1. So as x tends to 1, y tends to 0. Y tends to 0. And here when you take y is equal to x minus 1 from this, so x is equal to y plus 1. X is equal to y plus 1 or 1 plus y. So now as x tends to, limit x tends to 1 becomes limit y tends to 0. Here log of, so x, what is x here? Y plus 1 or 1 plus y base e whole divided by this x minus 1 becomes a y here. So observe carefully here. Limit x tends to 1 log x by base e, log x base e by x minus 1 is the given problem. So what I am doing is here considering this x minus 1 as y. So when you take this x minus 1 is equal to y, so now as x tends to 1, this is in the given limit. So when x is approaching to 1, so the value of y as x tends to 1, the value of y tends to 0. The value of y is 0. So now the same problem becomes limit y tends to 0 log of, when you take y is equal to x minus 1 from this, x is equal to y plus 1 or 1 plus y. So log of 1 plus y base e by this x minus 1 becomes y. Just I transform the given limit in terms of x becomes writing in terms of y here. So when you write like this, here we have the property, so the standard property, so that is limit extends to 0 log 1 plus x, log 1 plus x base e by x, the value of this is 1. The value of a limit extends to 0 log 1 plus x base e by x is equal to 1. Same like this, here y tends to 0, limit y tends to 0, log 1 plus y base e by y, so which is also is equal to 1 as per that property. So therefore finally we can say that limit extends to 1, so log x base e whole divided by x minus 1, the value is 1. So like this we can evaluate the given limit.